Hello student, in this video we are going to learn verb tenses. A verb also tells us the time of an action, that is the action take place at the present or has already taken place in the past. Here, for example, the tap drips. Second, the tap dripped yesterday. So here two sentences are given. The tap drips. The tap dripped yesterday. See, tap drips. Which which drips is which form? Verb. The tap is subject. Drips is verb. Action at present. It is called present tense. Here the tap dripped yesterday. Here the tap is subject, dripped verb, yesterday object. So here dripped verb, the action in the past, so it is called past tense. To show that a verb is in the present tense and the verb is used as it is or as an s or es is added to it. For example, I sleep, you sleep, he or she sleeps. S will come, okay? I sing, you sing, he, she sings. I go, you go, he, she goes. I do, you do, he or she does. Okay, whenever he, she, it will come S or es we are putting. Other I and you, there is no change in a verb. Okay. See, to show that a verb that end in y is the present tense, the verb is used as it is, or the y at the end of the verb is replaced with ies. Whenever verb will finish with y, will change for he, she, it will be changed and we put ies. For example, here I cry, you cry, he or she cries. Here cries will come. Okay, I try, you try, he, she tries. Okay, here remove I, put here tries, tries, cries. Whenever he, she will come, it is remove y, put ies. To form the past tense of a verb, ed is usually added to the verb. Okay, to form the past tense of a verb, ed is usually added to the verb. Here, call. So we'll plus ed, called, walked, plus ed, walked. Here, help. Ed will put helped. Fill. Ed will put filled. Mix. Ed will put mixed. Jump. Ed will put jumped. Pick. Ed will put picked. Whatever will in past tense we put ed and it will be a past tense. Helped, fill, mixed, jump, picked. Here in a certain verb, while adding ed to form their past tense, their letter is double. Some past tense we put letter double. For example, knight, ed will put, we put t double. Okay, knitted, drop, dropped. If the verb end in e or only a d is added to the form in the past. Whenever any verb finish with e, we'll put d. For example, love. So we will remove e and we put loved. Okay. to change the tense of verb that end in s or es, from the present to the past, drop the s or es and add d or ed to the verb. For example, I like mango. Present tense. So here we will remove s and put d. I liked mangoes. The water flows. The water flowed. Remove s, we put ed. The water flowed. She washes clothes. Here es we remove, put ed. She washed clothes. A verb in the present tense that end in y or is, the past tense is formed by replacing y or the is with ied. For example, here same thing, the verb in the present that end in y or is, the past tense is formed by replacing y or the is with ied. Whenever y is there, we remove is. We, if is is there, we remove, and in place of is we put ied. Okay, here some example are there. Tries, so tried. Try became tried. Cries became cried. Fries became fried. Okay, here present and past tense some example are given. Stands, stood. Writes, wrote. Teaches, taught. Reads, read. Sends, sent. Tells, told. Gives, gave. Eats, ate. Goes, went. Buys, bought. Here in the module you have learned the following: the tap drips, the tap drip yesterday, and it is time of occurrence. Here, okay, student, stands, stood, writes, wrote, teaches, taught, reads, read. Okay, sends, sent, tells, told, gives, gave, eats, ate, goes, went, buys, bought. So I hope you all understand past and present concept. Thank you for watching my video.